If you've had your eyes on the ASUS Zenbook Duo and want a deep dive into what makes it stand out, you're in the perfect place. Today, we're zeroing in on what makes the ASUS Zenbook Duo such an intriguing machine. This particular model features two full-sized OLED touchscreen displays, setting it apart from your average laptop and leaning heavily into the future of portable productivity. Before diving into the features, let's quickly talk numbers. The Zenbook Duo is currently priced at $1,699.99. When reviewing its 3-month price history, the average price has consistently hovered at $1,699.99, though it has occasionally gone up by about $50. Honestly, paying that slight premium isn't a deal breaker, especially for a laptop tailored so specifically for a niche audience. It's crafted for those who truly need the features it offers, and for that crowd, a small bump in price could be well worth it. Under the hood, the Zenbook Duo is powered by Intel Core's Ultra 9 285H processor. This is a seriously capable chip with 16 cores and 16 threads, and it can boost up to 5.4 GHz. While it doesn't come with a dedicated GPU, it does include Intel's integrated Arc 140T graphics. That said, this isn't a gaming laptop. It's purpose-built for tasks centered around productivity and creative work. If gaming is your priority, you'll want to look elsewhere. Memory-wise, it packs 32 GB of LPDDR5X RAM. This RAM is soldered to the board, meaning upgrades are off the table. But 32 gigs is already plenty for most productivity-heavy workflows. For storage, you get a 1TB SSD, which offers solid capacity. However, upgrading it is not exactly plug-and-play. The process involves more than just removing a panel, so I definitely recommend leaving that job to a pro. The design of the Zenbook Duo is surprisingly intuitive despite its high-tech approach. It's laid out like a traditional laptop with your primary display on the lid. Beneath the detachable keyboard lies the secondary screen. The keyboard connects magnetically with pins, and once detached, it pairs via Bluetooth, allowing for flexible setups depending on your workflow. As for the screens, both are OLED touchscreen panels with crisp 3K resolution and a silky 120Hz refresh rate. They also hit 100% DCI-P3 color gamut and max out at 500 nits of brightness. For creatives doing color-sensitive tasks like video editing or design, this is a huge win. Plus, the laptop supports multiple display configurations, giving you the freedom to adapt the setup for various use cases. Don't let its layer design fool you. This machine is built to last. The Zenbook Duo meets mil-standard 810H military-grade standards, which means it's passed durability tests in rough environments. That doesn't make it bulletproof, of course, but for something this intricate, it's reassuring to know it's been tested to endure more than just desk duty. In terms of connectivity, it's got just the right mix for productivity-focused users. If you need extras, a USB hub will more than cover you. On the right, you'll find a USB 3.2 Type-A port, a Thunderbolt 4 port, and a 3.5mm audio jack. Over on the left, there's an HDMI 2.1 port for connecting to a third screen, and another Thunderbolt 4 port for extra peripherals or charging. If this sounds like the laptop for you, you can check it out through the link in the description box below, or simply just scan this QR code. This has been Marty, and I'll be seeing you on the next video. Cheers!